Lumagda sa guidelines for mutual understanding ang gobyerno, MILF at Ad Hoc Joint Action Group para sa ceasefire-related functions, lalo na sa nalalapit na 2025 national at local elections. Ang detalye mula kay Jen Garcia.
Nilagdaan ng mga opisyal mula gobyerno, Moro Islamic Liberation Front at Ad Hoc Joint Action Group ang guidelines for mutual understanding para sa ceasefire-related functions lalo na para sa nalalapit na May 2025 national at local elections. Isinagawa ito araw ng Martes sa Camp Darapanan, Crossing Simway, Sultan Kudarat, Maguindanao del Norte. Ang guidelines for mutual understanding ay nilagdaan ni Brigadier General Patricio Ruben Amata, Acting Chairman, GPH-CCCH at Deputy Commander Joint Task Force Central, Police Major General Romaldo Baiting, Chairman GPH AHJAG, Butch Malang, Chairman MILF CCCH, at Director Anwar Alamada, Chairman MILF AHJAG. Ang ceremonial signing ay dinaluhan ni Western Mindanao Command, West Mincom, Commander Lieutenant General Antonio Nafarrete at Joint Task Force Central Commander Major General Donald M. Gumiran. Layunin ng hakbang na matiyak ang peaceful, orderly at credible elections sa May 12, 2025 sa pamamagitan ng activation ng GPH-MILF Peace Mechanism Quick Response Team QRT at implementation ng newly signed ceasefire guidelines. Suportado rin ng Commission on Elections, COMELEC, ang hakbang sa pangunguna ni Attorney Ray E. Sumalipaw. Lumahok din si Attorney Alan Cadon, Provincial Election Supervisor ng Maguindanao del Sur, Attorney Muhammad Nabil Mutia, Provincial Election Supervisor ng Maguindanao del Norte, at Attorney Ellis Miguel, Provincial Election Supervisor ng Lanao del Sur. Dumalo rin at nagpakita ng suporta si BARM Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Makakwa, MP Muhaghir Iqbal, ang chairperson ng MILF Peace Implementing Panel, Presidential Advisor Cesar Llano, ang chairman ng GPH Peace Implementing Panel, at Police Brigadier General Romeo Macapaz, Regional Director Pro-BAR. Janeza Garcia, iMinds, Philippines.